I knew from the beginning that the people and the work we did here was special. I truly believe that this is one of the best places to work.
After working here for over 28 years, I've realized the great benefits we provide our employees year after year to provide a good work-life balance.
We're committed to giving back to our community and taking care of each other.
We do like to have fun together. We recognize birthdays, anniversaries, retirements. We have company luncheons, fruit and donut days.
My favorite is Employee Appreciation Day.
We're developing big, industry-changing products, but we haven't lost touch of that small, we're in this together philosophy.